beautiful spring into summer festival. Hanging here. What's up, YouTube? It's 터프정우. Cookie. We are here, spring into summer festival at Oak Grove, Kentucky. Let's go. Cookie. Give a high five. Give a high five. High five. Thank you. Cookie. She said cookie.
Stop.
No, you say you want to someone recognize you. Yeah, you go first. Thank you. Okay. Woohoo. Thank you, sir. You want to selfie? We are going off soon. La 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 la. Oh yeah, you remember her thing. Oh. Yeah, she's a linguist, right?
Yeah.
We are going home.
I can't even see the text, but I can tell. I love people. Let me unbuckle.
Wait. You go first. Thank you, sir. Oh, are you okay? Oh, this is shaking a lot. Thank you, sir. She doesn't know cookies. She said just I like your hair.
No, many people.
See you soon. What do you want?
I don't know. Bubbles. Yeah, and that's why I almost got it.
Woo!
Hi, everybody. Are y'all having a good day? Yeah, for me it's just an honor day. I got a bunch of those I'll save for some other time. But thanks for coming out to see our furry little hole punchers today. We've done this show all over the United States for the past 5 years, and folks, I've never had the same show twice. There's no way this one's going to be any different. But I will tell you, and it hits a little home a little different here at this show. One thing I do is I start the fair off the same way that every time. I'm not going to change it. But if it wasn't for those guys standing over there and our veterans and the sacrifices they've made, we wouldn't be doing this today. So let's show them some appreciation. And welcome to the one and only Otter Adventure. We are the only traveling otter show / display in the United States. And folks, I've got many reasons why. We've done exotics my whole life. You can name it, we've worked with it, and I can tell you this is the hardest animal I've ever worked with in my life. Are you ready? Okay, I gotta go get it. Let me go get it. Let me go get it. Let me go get it. Petey, Patty, and then Remy, who is swimming over here. He's hiding over there. They are the three that I got involved with and raised in the house, and that was an ordeal. I've got pictures of Remy with my 70-pound pit bull playing in the house. I got news for you folks. I'll take on a ticked-off any day over a 6-pound otter that doesn't want to be told no. What I've witnessed over the years is a lot of people will go out to these fairs and somebody will get ticked off at a family member, and one of them ends back over here to watch the otters while the others are doing their thing. But on a serious note, I hope you enjoyed watching the otters. We really appreciate y'all coming out. If you're here for the concert, I hope you enjoy it as well. Have a good day. Thank you.
Midnight. Cool. What's that touching?
You touch it first.
Nice to meet you. Oh wow. You want the picture?
Huh? No.
Why you don't want to?
Nope.
He's not hungry. Well, let's go picture.
No. No. No.
Okay, hold this up. Silly mommy. Batman and the Robin.
Let's go.
Oh, I know. Wait. Oh, funny. Go. Thank you. Go black one. Follow. Oh my Oh my god! She likes you. She or he?
I don't know.
Calm down. Oh my goodness, the little cocoa. Smell, check it, smell. Thank you. This is s'more?
What does it look like? S'mores. Like s'mores. That's That's why it's named s'mores.
Really? But there's a mini donkey.
They're a mini donkey. That's their species.
Yeah, okay.
I want.
No, I'm talking about this sector.
Yeah, because
Yeah, there is no people. Go.
I wanted this one, but it's Why do you love the merry-go-round?
Only one thing I can ride. I want that one like a baby.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You're too tall for that. The reason why I like the horse more. Wait, up and down, and I just remembered something. Up and down, up and down.
Huh?
I just said up and down.
Yes, yes, yes.
I just said up and down, and you know what that song title is? I love N1, I love N1, I love N1, I love N1, I love N1,
I love egg.
I spelled my favorite N1 song is Hardware Conflict. I love Hardware Conflict.
I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Stop it. Go slowly. You got it? Good girl. I'm going by myself. Ashley doesn't want to do. I'm going by myself. Woo. 1, 2. Oh yeah, I have to wait, right? Now can go? Thank you, sir. Woo. Woo. That's crazy. What the? Woo. Wow. We are done. She wants to go home. She wants to go swimming pool.
Yeah.
I don't know. I have to see. Did you fun?
Yeah.
Say bunny.
Bunny. Bunny. Bunny.
Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye. There's so much people here.
Bye bye. Spring into summer festival.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. Don't forget the thumbs up.